Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BNGO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I offer an explanation video at that link. Well, the pullback continues, and I'm still not going to say that the chart is destroyed, but I suppose that's a little bit of matter of perspective. If you're some sort of day trader and you bought right there, maybe you bought right there and your plan was to buy and sell within 20 minutes, well, then yeah, from that point of view, the chart looks really, really bad. But even from the bigger picture of things, like I said, I'm not going to say that the chart's destroyed, but it is starting to look a little shaky here, and the main level that I'm very curious about, and in my mind matters quite a bit from a technical point of view going into Friday, is down here at 67 cents. And I'm not saying at all that this is what's going to happen, but just for explanation purposes, if the price were to come down to 67 and then just keep on going, what would that be doing to the price? Well, at that point, from a very literal point of view, that would be putting the price right back inside of that range of the chart where it already was. And I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power. Now, like I said, I'm not going to say that would destroy the chart because, I mean, now if it went down there and closed the gap from there and then just kept on going and went, to 50 cents, at that point, yeah, that's a much different looking chart. But preferably speaking, the price is pulled back enough, and there's nothing wrong with pullbacks. No price can go straight up. But there does also reach the point where it's a matter of, okay, price, yeah, you've pulled back enough. Now it's time to start to consolidate out, and that's where we're at right now, in my opinion, is it's time for the price to at least start to go sideways. So I'm not saying the price has got to all of a sudden, bounce back upwards in order to be a good-looking chart, but even just going sideways now would be a good little step in the right direction. But yeah, in my mind, if you haven't connected those dots, 67 cents, definitely a very important area of support. As far as levels of resistance, and if there is any sort of attempted bounce to the upside, first key level to keep an eye on going to be right up there at 90 cents, and then after 90 cents, next key level right up there at that round number of $1. So keep in mind those levels going forward. But yeah, right now things are looking a little bit shaky, but price does still have the chance of building an overall higher low. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.